Hey guys, so today I'm going to give you guys some tips on how to start to build credit with no credit. You can start as early as 15 years old. And if you're 15 and under 18, you can actually become an authorized user on someone else's credit card. Now, I would choose someone that's responsible and make on-time payments. The point of it is to access their payment history and their age of credit. So if you're 15 or older, ask your parents, let them know you want to be an authorized user. Ask your grandparents, ask a relative. But before you do that, you have to make sure that person is responsible and is making on-time payments. Because when they add you as an authorized user, their payment history becomes your payment history. Their age of credit becomes your age of credit. So it can be a good thing, it could be a bad thing. Let's make it a good thing, okay? All right, another way you can start building your credit if you're 18 or older, just turning 18, I would suggest you get a unsecured credit card. Your credit needs revolving lines of credit. So an unsecured credit card is self-funded. So if you apply for First Progress credit card and Open Sky credit card, I'll leave a link in the description box to those credit cards. You can apply without a hard inquiry. I'll let y'all know what a hard inquiry is in a moment. You can apply with a soft pull to your credit, and when they say, congratulations, you're approved for a $200 credit line, you will then deposit that $200 and self-fund that account. That is an unsecured credit card. A secured credit card, which you will get approved for very soon. A secured credit card is when these banks give you money. After you've become an authorized user, if you can't, that's okay. I did not have any family members that I could be an authorized user on. But after you've turned 18 and you're able to get a unsecured line of credit, apply for one, wait 30 days for it to report, then apply for the other, wait 30 days for that to report. After you've gotten a couple of revolving lines of credit, now you need an installment loan. An installment loan is like a car loan, student loan debt, but I would recommend, let's get a small installment loan. That can be a personal loan from a bank, or you can get a self account. I'll leave a link in the description box about that. A self account is when you are paying $50 a month. It's like a savings account, and at the end of the term, you get that money back. So it's like you're depositing into a savings account every month, and after 12 months, depending on the terms you choose, you get that money back, plus a fee, of course. So let's run that back. Number one, see if we can become an authorized user on someone's account that has good payment history. If you can't, that's okay, but let's try that. Number two, let's get revolving lines of credit that we know we can get approved for, which are unsecured credit cards. First Progress, link in the description, and Open Sky. After that, let's get a small installment loan. That would be a personal loan from a bank. So you would have to go to a bank, open up a checking account. Depending on your credit, they will give you a personal loan. But you can also get an installment loan through a self account, and that's a soft pull on your credit. And it's basically a savings account. You're sending them a certain amount of money a month for a certain amount of time, and at the end of that program, you get a check back. So that's awesome. Last tip, you guys, when you are trying to build credit, and even if you've already built credit, do not take on any debt for anybody else. Don't get a car loan under your name for anyone else. Don't get a apartment under your name for anyone else. That's the biggest advice I can give to you, because I've done it, and it did not work out. And another tip, get a credit monitoring report system. That's basically Credit Karma. But instead of Credit Karma, if you can afford it, I would suggest getting My FICO or Experian Boost. You can also get your annual credit report at annualcreditreport.com. I'll leave a link in the description box. That's actually free. All right, guys, good luck. Peace.